Okay, so we're out in the shop and today we're working on a 2004 Toyota Matrix, and we're doing a little work on the radio, and as part of that had to remove this dash panel right here that goes around the radio, and it also has the hazard switch, rear window defroster, passenger seatbelt warning light. It's got one of the vent outlets and also two controls for the air conditioning. Has this little switch pack which is mounted separately from the main AC controls, and it controls the AC on and off as well as the recirc on and off, and then the bottom is a blank. So anyway, during this work I had to disconnect this cable right here, and when I did I noticed that it looked like, you know, kind of like a speedometer cable, maybe like a choke cable, something like that. And I wondered, gee, what is that doing going connecting to this switch here? So followed it back down there through the dashboard and found that this little cable appears to connect into the back of the HVAC control panel. So wanted to find out what it did, because why would you need to have a cable connected to the control panel unless it's operating some kind of a, you know, a blend door or maybe a recirculation door or something like that. So anyway, let's turn the car on real quick here. Alright, turn the fan down on low, and as you can see on this panel here, AC off, AC on, recirc off, recirc on, and then here's where that cable comes into play. As long as I turn this blend door here, I can start on vent panel, mix, floor, and as soon as I turn it over to defrost, that little cable kicks out the recirc. So it won't let it stay in. Same thing if I turn it over to defrost. But as soon as I go back to floor, now it works again. So anyway, that's what it does. It's pretty neat, very low tech, clever, but it works. I was actually surprised to see that it was not some kind of you know, electrical connection going to the BCM or the PCM or something to turn the recirc on and off. That's what you'd expect to see nowadays. And actually I expected that, even though this car is coming on about 10 years old now, I still would have expected to see that in this new of a vehicle. So to see something this low tech, it's pretty cool. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, any comments, post them below. See you next time.